surroundings are going to a pub on a Friday night, having 10 pints, having a kebab and going home, that's the norm, yeah? You try and talk to someone about a business deal in the boozer, they're going to tell you, shut up, mate, what are you talking about? Stop talking about money. Enjoy the football and enjoy your beer. That's the wrong environment. If you're happy with that, if that's your life, if that's what you want to do, that's fine. If you want to achieve what hasn't been achieved yet, if you want to achieve something great, you're going to have to change your surroundings. Don't go into that crowd and think, what can I take from this? You got loads of money, I'm going to sell you something. Because you can feel that. I would go into that meeting thinking, you're worth 100 million quid. I'm not. So I'm going to learn from you. I'm not looking at it saying, what can I take? And what can I learn from this? And when I learn from it, that person is also going to learn something from me. I have an expertise in a field that they are interested in. I'm looking at them saying, you're a lot further forward in life than where I'm at, and I want to get there. So I don't want anything from you, I just want to learn.